Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino came alive on Tuesday evening, January 28, 2025, with a vibrant celebration in honor of the Chinese New Year, ushering in the Year of the Wooden Snake. The event kicked off with a captivating wushu performance, showcasing traditional martial arts as a prelude to the cultural festivities. The program commenced with the ceremonial lion's eye dotting ritual, where guests participated in painting the eyes of the lion figures using paint brushes to awaken them. Guests were then treated to a lively lion and dragon dance performances to welcome in prosperity. In addition to the hotel's team led by its general manager Ali Banting, the event was also graced by Cebu City Mayor Raymond Garcia, Councilors Joy Pesquera and JP Labilia, National President of the Philippine Medical Women's Association, Dr. Vivina Chu, Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 2024, Gabriela Mai Carballo.
Right now, we are gathered here today as we embark on the celebration of the Chinese New Year, Year of the Wood Snake. Later tonight, we are very much honored for you to partake activities that we prepared for today. We have a lot of shows, and the highlight of this is, of course, the Fire Musical.
One of the event's highlights was the Yi Sang or Prosperity Toast ceremony, especially prepared by Executive Chef Lo Lai and his culinary team.
During Chinese New Year, of course, we are focusing more our attention to our very own Chinese restaurant, which is the Tingao. Please come and visit the exclusive treats of our very own Chinese chef, Chef Lo.
The Yi Sang is a symbolic tradition where guests toast a colorful salad ingredients, adhering to the belief that the higher the toast, the greater the blessings for the year ahead. The festivities cap off the evening with a breathtaking fireworks display, lighting up the sky and bringing the unforgettable celebration to a spectacular finale.
Moving forward for the year 2025, Waterfront Hotels and Casinos is very much excited as we embark another milestone in our hotel operations as we introduced our newly renovated guest rooms. For everyone watching this, I wish everyone a prosperous and a happy Chinese New Year.
This has been G. Pro Largo for My TV Cebu.